Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Hello, this is the DJI Spark drone that I purchased recently. As you can see, it's a combo, Spark Fly More combo. So I already opened it because I need to check it while the store before I pay. That is all sensor complete. So these are all original DJI, and I bought it here in Vietnam. I'm an expat here in Vietnam, and so let's try to check out what are the things inside, and what are the accessories, and what are the content of this DJI Spark Fly More combo. Okay, I bought it around 13 million dong in here in Vietnam, so it's almost like $700 this one. Okay, let's check it out, and then let's try the power up and unboxing it. Okay, this is the first review of VNfatBIKER. Okay. Okay, first thing we got bags, and there's a barcode on it. It is very important, the password and the QR code, so that you'll able to connect the remote control and your drone. Okay, and then since this is a combo, so there's a bag inside already included. It's made of good leather, like a sling bag. Okay, so we'll check also inside what's inside. Okay, and another one side is all manuals. Okay, you just spark. So let's try to keep it inside. Alright, using the manual. Oops. There's some paddings inside. Okay, first let's check out the drone. Okay, this one, it's very hard to open. I'll try to put it aside, so we can focus on it. So as you can see, I already customized and asked the store to put some spark skin to make it more colorful. And this is a combo. There's a 2 battery included. Okay, there's a 2 battery on it, and there's a spare propeller on the side, and this is a drone, as you can see. There's another QR code here, and the password, which is very important. Don't lose this sticker. Okay. The camera, the gimbal. Okay, and all the sensors here and here. So that's the DJI Spark drone. Okay, so later we will try to power up this up. Okay, let's check what's inside this bag. Okay. Okay, there's a cable and power cord. The recharger. As you can see, there's a 2 USB, so that you can connect this cable. So this one will go to the remote control drone for charging. This goes straight for the battery. Okay, the propeller guard, there's some pocket, and